Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, in today's video we are going to do a very expensive modification, but probably I put the modification in the title already. So yeah, let's talk about the modification before we will get it installed. So basically what I read everywhere is if you want to have your 1 series, at least your M140i, to handle better, you have to do two things at least, and that is get an LSD, which we still yet have to get. But the other weakest part in the suspension from a 1 series are the stock dampers. So what are we going to do? Well, today we are going to change our suspension for a Bilstein B16 Damptronic kit. So the Damptronic actually means that the car will keep its adaptive suspension function, so it will be more comfy in comfort mode and a little bit more stiff and direct in sport mode. This car has it from stock, and I actually want to keep that function because it's an option not all 1 series have, and I just do not want to get rid of it because I actually like it. You can also get the car with ride control, I think it's called, and that's for cars that don't have the option from factory, but you want to get the option afterwards. So it will not work like OEM. You will get a separate button you can place in your dashboard, and you have basically the same function. And then there's also a regular B16 Coilover kit that has none of these functions, and you just can adjust the damping rate manually on the dampers themselves, like you do with most coilover kits. So yeah, that's basically it. So I mainly want to keep, I want to make the car handle better while still keep it daily drivability, and I also want the car just to sit like a tiny bit lower, just a little bit, not that much, but just a little bit lower, and maybe we'll give her a clean afterwards. But this car has been totally cleaned 3 days ago, and I have driven less than 100 kilometers since then, and it looks like this again. So in this weather, I'm just like, screw it, piss off. But yeah, I mean, we will sit the car a little bit lower, like I said, just not that much lower, just a tiny bit, and then we hope to see a big improvement for handling. For when we are going to do our first track day, so this car will be prepared. It's not planned yet, but I want to do a track day with this thing very soon. And now with the new suspension installed within a few hours, I think it should be pretty manageable. So I would say let's go and get this sucker installed. Okay, so we dropped off the car with the Bilstein Coilover kit, and we discussed how low we wanted the car and what settings that I wanted. So now I am back home again, and now it's just waiting for the call until they say it's done. Should be done, like I said, during noon, so a couple hours waiting, and then we're good to go. So like I said, I'm curious how this will drive, but now we will play some Grand Theft Auto until we get the call, and then we're going to pick her up. But for now, we'll play a little bit with my fly bike. Whee! Yeah, with one hand, it's not that handy. Yeah, this is not becoming a gaming channel, but it's fun to play a little bit while you're waiting for your car to be finished. It always gives me stress when they tear apart my car, so I rather drop off the car, let them do their thing, and then go back a couple hours later. Then I don't want to see my baby. I don't want to see my baby get torn apart. So let's wait for the call. So we got a message on WhatsApp, and here it shows that the new coilover is installed. Like I said, it's not looking that low because it's... Oh, someone just killed me on GTA. I have to pop his ass first. Give me a second. So we got a phone call that the car is ready, and I was so excited to leave that I forgot my phone. So now we have the car back already with the new Bilstein B16 coilover kit installed. And I would say yes, just simply yes. I will talk about the experience. I have gone for a drive um, before everything. I tested it a little bit on back roads, and yeah, it's a big improvement. So we'll first have a look at the car itself, and then we'll talk a little bit about my experience. Okay, so the car itself is a little bit lower as it used to sit, just not that extreme much, but just a little bit, especially on the rear. It just sits a little bit lower, but it's nice and clean. And then actually in the front, I would say that is pretty much as it used to be. So I would say like the car got a tad bit lower, but nothing extreme. And just to prove you guys that I really got the kit, here you can see the yellow adapters, because some of you may think like you just got lowering springs. No, I really got the yellow adapter. You can see the yellow coilovers over there, and maybe like see the blue springs. Yeah, so that's definitely a Bilstein B16 kit. Yeah. Like I said, guys, it's a big bonus. I love my car a lot more right now, I would really say. So I'll do a little explanation on this sucker and on how this improves the ride handling, keeps the same drivability, and how it's just perfect. So yeah, let's do that. So yeah, what's the best way to describe how suspension drives? Well, that's by driving it. So that's what we are going to do at the moment. So we have like the B16 installed right now, and taking it for a drive, just cruising along. In comfort mode, the car actually stays pretty good to drive. It's not very bouncy. I would say that it's like just a tad bit, just a little bit, like a little fraction more stiffer as what it used to be, but the car also sits lower, so it can also just be that. But I think, yeah, the car is a little bit more firm, but really not that much. Let us say in comfort mode, if previously the car was a 4 out of 10 firmness, this would be like 4.5. Just to keep one thing in mind, is I never actually owned the car and driven the car with the stock suspension. So I just thought about this while editing. I had the stock dampers with the Eibach Pro springs, so I'm also comparing it to that setup. Like I said, I never had the stock dampers with the stock springs, so I can compare to that setup. So my current, I'm comparing the Bilstein B16 coilover kit with the Eibach Pro springs on stock dampers. Okay, maybe the stock springs are a little bit softer. They probably are, so I just can't compare. Just to make sure that when you upgrade to these dampers and you have the stock springs, that your experience may be a little bit different. Just saying. Like I said, it's really manageable. And let us say that sport mode used to be like 6 out of 10, and now it's like 6.5 out of 10. So really drivable. You don't trade off much daily drivability, and I would say in some cases actually when there are bigger bumps, this coilover kit actually feels, how should I say it, stronger. These dampers feel stronger. They're like, I'll manage this, don't worry, I can have this. While the stock dampers on more extreme cases for me felt like, hey dude, go easy on me, I won't last long that way. That's how it feels for me at least. But yeah, like I said, I am very happy with this setup. Now the difference while taking corners. That's why I took, you know, this kit for. In Sport Plus, everything sharpens up quite a lot. There is less body roll in Sport, which I think is, you know, a very big advantage. Also in comfort, you know, there is less body roll, but when you are having a sportive drive, most of the time, that's what I think at least, you do that in sport mode. But like really taking corners is very manageable, no body roll at all. And I also feel like as if the car, you know, the steering gives me more feedback as it used to before. Like before, the cornering, the handling of the car before was actually never bad, but the steering feedback I got from it was not great. So I was very, you know, I didn't feel like as if I was on the limits of this car or not. And now I feel as I have way more feedback as what I used to have, and that is something, yeah, that's something that I really like, especially in the BMW. So now in sport mode, this car feels better to me, much better. I feel more confident driving this thing because of the extra feedback, and actually less body roll also makes it more fun to corner. Holy shit. Yeah. It's fun. Don't get me wrong, it's a fun corner to take, that one. But yeah, the car definitely is better to drive, handles better, more comfort. No, same, almost the same comfort, very close. So for me personally, this is a big win. So yeah, we're back home at the moment. So yeah, I explained how the coilover kit feels. Comfort-wise, pretty similar, and then in the corners you have a lot less body roll and you feel a lot more feedback while turning. So it's a win-win. So if you're like at the end of this video, okay, I want this exact same body kit as coilover kit as what I have, then you have to keep one thing in mind, okay? After, with why am I saying body kit? The coilover kit, installation, so everything together, installation, write paperwork, at least in Belgium, and sending it, depends where you go for the installation, of course, but you will sit close to 3,000 euro at the end of the day. So keep in mind that it's expensive, okay? So it's not like, if you just want to lower your car, just get springs, but if you want to have a better driving M140i, then this is a good upgrade, but it's not cheap, okay? Don't get me wrong, it's a very expensive upgrade, but it's very much worth it, okay? Very important to keep in mind. But if you want this suspension, then I can recommend you the guy where I got it from, and that's the Car Whisperer. I will leave you a screenshot from his Google page. His website is currently not online yet, but he also has an Instagram page. So if you want something, you can always message him and he will help you around and give you a very fair price for the product and give you a good explanation and everything. So yeah, keep in mind that for the exact same suspension as I do, you have to have the electronic dampers. If you want to have electronic damping, but you don't have it originally, then you have to get the ride control version. And if you don't care about the electronic damping, you just get regular kit. Just keep in mind, okay? There are 3 versions of that. So anyway, guys, I would say thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon with more upgrades and more fun videos. Bye.